this video, we're going to discuss how you can make $20,000 per month as a recruiting agency owner. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So as we think about 2022 and the demand that's associated with the labor market at this point, I know there's a lot of elements that put a lot of pause in regards to the level of volatility that's currently going on. However, it's important to note that not every industry is suffering from the volatility of the labor market at this point. When you look at mainstream media, the focus is primarily on tech and the fact that there's so many layoffs that are happening right now. And while that is definitely a true statement in regards to the level of volatility that's happening within the tech industry, based on a number of different factors, one being the COVID-19 pandemic, and two being the response to the COVID-19 pandemic, it's important to understand that not every industry is experiencing that at this time. As a recruiting agency owner, it's really important that you take the step back and really understand the full picture of what's happening within the labor market. Tech is only one piece of that. You have to also think about the healthcare industry. You have to think about supply chains, logistics. There's so many other things that are happening outside of just tech. And with that being stated, the demand for roles within those other industries, such as healthcare, has not changed. If anything, it's actually increased. And this is where being strategic as a recruiting agency owner really comes into play. It's important that you take the time to really think outside of the box and understand where it is that you can add the most value. And this is why in the very beginning, it's important that you don't niche down and you allow yourself to be pretty broad in terms of the amount of industries that you're covering. Not only will this give you the opportunity to learn more, but it's also going to give you the opportunity to be able to excel in other industries if one is going through a volatile period. And this is where research really comes into play in ensuring that you're doing your due diligence. It's important to leverage tools such as Google Trends to see exactly where the demand is. Google Trends will give you the ability based on a specific geographical area of what is happening in regards to a particular industry or niche. It's important that you leverage that data and that information to make sound decisions about where you're going to focus your time, energy, and ultimately investment in terms of being able to recruit. And keep in mind, as we go into the 2023 year, there's a lot of factors on the table to consider. The economic market right now is definitely going through a down phase, and with an imminent recession lingering over our head, we're not quite sure what it may look like. These last couple years have been extremely different in terms of not necessarily following anything that we've seen historically before. This is why it's going to be important that you stay intentional, stay strategic, and really think through exactly where it is that you want to focus. But again, don't allow one industry such as tech to overshadow all of the other industries that are really focused or in a growth mode at this point. Doing your due diligence doesn't mean just looking at the media. It means taking that step back to really think through the full picture. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly, as well as my Facebook group. If you're not in there, then I definitely encourage you to join because we're in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.